Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so let's get right into this review, or my thoughts, whatever you want to call it. So this hair comes from a company by the name of BestHairBuy, or Hair by Best. Okay, all the information will be down in the description box. So I do have a few specs on my phone. So this is a 13x6 bob unit. Okay, so if you guys are kind of confused, that is just how far back the parting goes. Okay, so as you guys can see, it has very deep parting. I could have took the parting back even further. Okay, and this is already some really long parting. So I really do like the parting on this unit, just because I think deeper parts look a lot more natural than parts that aren't deep at all. Okay, like 1-inch parts I think look terrible, and they look super wiggy. Okay, so this is what the hair looked like. So I didn't have to do a lot to this hair. It was pretty much, I got it out the box and it was ready to go. This wig, okay, I keep saying hair, it's just a habit, but this wig was pre-plucked like perfectly. I did not pluck it, I did not bleach it. I already came pre-bleached and pre-plucked. As you guys can see, the knots aren't over bleached, they are bleached just fine. Okay, and it did come with like some, on top of it being pre-plucked, it did come with like pre-made baby hairs. Like it came with like some baby hairs sectioned off. So pretty much all you have to do is kind of just cut those how long or how short you would like them, and you're ready to go. It does come with an elastic band inside of the box, okay, that you can add to the unit, which I like. And it does come with combs in the unit. Let me just say that this wig is way too small for me. You guys know that I do need a large cap size. I'm not sure what size cap this is, but it's way too small. Okay, so make sure you measure your head and know exactly what you're getting before you order from this company, because my head measures between a 24 and a 25 because I have like so much hair. So I have to have my wigs fit over like my braids, and this wig does not fit me. Like I literally forced it. Okay, but it is a nice wig. The hair is pretty okay. I would say the hair is really soft. It's super flowy. It just, so this wig also does come with the fake scalp. Okay, you guys know that is the best thing that's out now, the fake scalp method. So it does come with that. You do not have to wear a wig cap with the fake scalp. However, I wear a wig cap anyway, just because I have so much hair and I have to have something to kind of keep my hair together. Okay, but you do not have to. I know it is hot outside, so that is definitely a pro to this wig. It already comes with the little built-in wig cap, so it is of the newer type of fake scalp. Okay, so you don't have to worry about ripping or tearing when it comes to this fake scalp, because there are some versions out there where it's just like a very thin stocking cap, and you do have to worry about you do have to worry about it ripping and tearing and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, you don't have to worry about that. Like I said, very deep parting, and overall this wig looks super natural. It pretty much kind of looks like my real hair when I blow dried and kind of flat iron it out. That's what vibe it's giving me. And like I said, it's just, I don't think I've ever had a wig with this much like body before. It's got so much flow and so much movement. I think that's what I like about it the most. Okay, so also it is glueless. I think I did mention that, but I did not add any type of adhesive to this wig. All right, so you can't just put this wig on and you be good to go. All right, so anyways guys, I think that's pretty much it. I think I covered all bases. If there's anything I missed, it will definitely be down in the description box. I also have a coupon code. It'll be somewhere flashing, I don't know, on the screen. It'll also be down below if you guys would like to use the coupon code for the website. You know, have at it. And yeah.